Hey everyone, it's Nicole. Welcome back to my channel. Now, I usually do this at the start of most of my videos. If you hear any like strange noises or in particularly snorting or snoring or little barks possibly, my dogs are in this room, so that's what the noise is. And today I feel like I'm almost getting a sty in my eye. It is so sore and a little bit swollen. So just, you know, I like to do these disclaimers. So as you can tell by the title, this is going to be such an exciting video. This is a unboxing of a new iPhone. Now I do an unboxing because I have definitely already taken it out of the box, so I do apologize, but I still wanted to show you guys exactly what the product looks like and what you do get, and also a review because I have used it. So this is my new phone, the iPhone 13 Pro. Oh my god, so I actually received this for my birthday, and can I just tell you, this was something that was actually long overdue. My old phone is this one, so I don't know like what different phones are and all of that. I think this was a 10 or something like that. I've had it for years, like literally years. I'm not a big phone person, like I don't need to have the latest phone. However, this one was freezing, the apps were crashing, I could hardly like use it properly, the internet just wouldn't work half the time, and battery life was so beyond ridiculous. Like it had to be charged several times a day, and it was just definitely due for an upgrade. So this was also my previous case. So I actually love Apple branded cases, which you will see. So this one, as you can see, is super loved and so excited to get rid of that. So the phone that I have is 13 Pro in Graphite. It's 128 gig. So one thing that is quite important to me when it comes to phones is the camera. Camera quality matters, but again, it's like I don't really care if it's not the newest or anything like that. So I'm just so grateful that I have this phone because the camera, my little dog, is like no words can describe how amazing this camera is. So when you open the box, the phone is there. Now it is usually wrapped, but I mean, again, that camera, insane. When you take the phone out, I'm scared to drop it. You have these items here. So you get the little cable, you don't get the brick charging thing anymore. And this is the tool to take your SIM card out. So it's just inside of there. But yeah, their boxes are so slimline these days. Like, remember how they used to be super thick? But yeah, when I opened this, I was like, no, I was totally shocked because I definitely was not expecting that. Now, I already have a glass screen protector, which I put on, and then I picked up this cover. So I don't know the actual like name of this color. I didn't take notice of that. But if you do like this, it's just obviously the navy blue one. I was going to get the light pink color or the green. I actually really liked the green, the look of the green online, but in person I didn't. And then the pink one I really liked, but then when I put it on here, the black around the camera just didn't look nice in my opinion. So my thoughts on this product, it is definitely a lot bigger, I feel, than this one. Just trying to not show you my notifications. So size wise, it's obviously not like a super big difference, but I know this has a case on it, but side by side comparison, because this new one's more squarish, it definitely feels a lot bigger. This is just the normal Pro. It's not a Max or anything like that. I definitely wouldn't like the Max. But honestly, so far I am so beyond impressed with this. The camera quality, like, I'm gonna show you. I took some photos of my dogs, of course. That's what I take. Like, it's just so amazingly crystal clear, and cinematic mode is like nothing you have ever experienced. Like, it is so amazing how clear and beautiful the videos and photos come out. So yeah, I'm so excited to have this. Honestly, if you are looking for a new phone and you are tossing up between whether to get the Pro or the not Pro, because I feel like the difference is the cinematic or the cameras or something. This camera, like, is so good. I know this isn't a super technical review. That is not what I'm about. This is more real life, like, what do I think of it? Also, I do watch a lot of YouTube videos on here, and the sound quality is so good as well. And yeah, everything else I feel like is the same. The screen quality just in general is really good. I think it's a lot clearer. But yeah, I am so in love with it. I really do recommend it. So again, if you're looking for a new phone, this could be the one that you're after. They come in different colors, different sizes. So yeah, please let me know if you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you have this phone, let me know your thoughts. I would love to hear from you. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video very soon. Thanks again. Bye.